Son of a bitch. So you flip it around, you put the bullets in, flip it back, and it's ready to fire. You motherfucker. I mean, technically it's right. It does not have a cylinder. These are just 6 barrels. But it's still cylindrically shaped, so... I don't know how I feel about this. You know what we can do? If you watched the first episode, you'll know that you don't have to type in the new prompt every time. You can just press the button again, and the machine will create a different variation of the same prompt. So let's just keep pressing the button until the machine gives up or breaks. So let's press it again. And out comes... Huh. No way, you motherfucker! It just unrolled the cylinder? What is you... But... it is a normal revolver, but instead of a cylindrical cylinder, it just goes through it like a fucking typewriter. I like it. Why do I like it?